All right, what's good, y'all? So I was working on it yesterday, and I found out, or I implemented the state machine, but it wasn't working, and then I found out that that my encoder skips this middle part. Um, like it goes say it's in this direction. It goes 0 0 1 0 0 0, and then 0 1, and then 0. So I implemented something based off of that, and I fucked it up. So I had to figure that out. Um, but assuming that um I do it right, um it should work now. Hopefully. Because at this point, one, I'm getting close to when I wanted to finish this, but two, I'm also close to finishing it. I 3D printed the base for it, so that's all good to go now. So and then I have all my like soldering stuff. So literally all I need to do is finish this encoder, implement it into the main, and then I'm good from there. Well, assuming that I know how to solder. Hopefully I don't mess it up, but I have multiple tries, so it's not like it matters. All right, so let's figure out what's going wrong with this first. So let me make sure. Yeah, all that's commented out. So what I want to do is, um, okay. So if if previous state does not equal state, meaning that we change some way, then what I want to do is I want to figure out what where it's going, right? So I want two integers, and I want one to be what the previous state is. Actually, I want three. I want three. What the current state is, and then what the pin value is. Okay, so this is, I don't know why I have this here. So we're going to build it. We are going to reset microcontroller, and then going to sudo fdisk l sudo mount stan sudo copy. Oh, I could keep that there actually and open the monitor here. Oh, right. Yeah, it was partially working. But why isn't this printing? Previous state equals state. Wait, why did I do that? That should be up here. Ooh, actually, I could just print everything. So these are, this is going to be split by the pin values. So this is going to be previous pin, and then pin value. So we can see all of the movements. So I guess it's good that I messed this up. Build all, reset the microcontroller, go up here, sudo fdisk l, if I can type, sudo mount stow, copy. What? Oh, right. Now I should be able to copy it. Sudo copy encoder. Yeah, it's still not. Why are we not sending this? Previous state equals state. What? Oh. I'm stupid. This is for previous. This is for down here. This should be if previous pin does not equal pin value. We don't care about the states anymore because the states are handled in and of itself. Wow, that's crazy. I'm in a previous version of my own code. Oh, fdisk. Oh my gosh. I cannot type today. Mount sdap. Copy. Oh, I need to go back again. Right. And then we'll open the monitor in a sec. Okay, so we go from 0, which is here, to 1. So we're going clockwise. 0 to 1. And then what is it? Pin value. Oh, wait. Sorry. These are the pin values. So 0 to 1. So we are going from 0 to 0, 1, and then 0, 1 to 0, and then 0 to 2. So it's 1, 0, and then from 2 to 0. So that is a full cycle right there. So we send. Why is it not? Oh, there we go. So we're sending the right direction now. Then we're at 0 and we go counterclockwise. Oops. So I'm going to reset that and then reset this. So we go counterclockwise and we go from. Oh, it didn't actually clear. So we go from 0 to 1 to 1, 0. So that is not right. Why are we... Oh, we started at there for some reason. Am I not reading it right? What's happening? Okay, 0 to 2, 2 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. We send counterclockwise. So we get stuck at this point. We did something wrong. Because we 0 to 2, 2 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, but we didn't send counterclockwise. And then we keep going, and now we're sending clockwise. Okay, so we got stuck somewhere. So what I want to do is also print. So these are going to be the pins. And then these are going to be the what? The statuses. Wait. No, because it should just send it. So the state is our selector for which array we're on. And that is probably where we're wrong, but I don't know why it didn't go the full cycle. We have a 0, 1, or 1, 0, then we go to start, and then we should be expecting a 0, 0, so we go to next, And then now we're expecting a 0, 1. So we go to final, and then we get a 0, 0. And we send it. That's so odd. Okay, let me stop thinking about it and just see what happens. Because theoretically it should have worked, but in reality it did not. All right, counterclockwise. Why did it stay at 0? Because we were basing this off the current pin value. And, oh, right. We don't change this yet. So we start at 0, but we shouldn't be at 0 here. We get 2, and we should have went to start. So now we're at 0 again for some reason. Okay, wait. Let me just, in case, put this down here. I want to see what it switched to. Okay. Oh, right. Shoot. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. We'll just be at the previous one. Okay, I'm gonna be lazy here. Right. I made it a bool, not an integer. Okay, now I should fix it. And I can actually decipher what the heck is going on. Okay. Now this split should have a 0 in it. Oh no, that's what it actually went to. Okay. So we go from... Okay, so we're at 2, which is correct. And then we go to what? 4, which is the beginning of counterclockwise, which is right. And then from at this point, we get what? We get a 0, and we go back to state 0. How is that possible? Because it's reading as if we're reading from the previous one. Okay, what? What? We're at 4, and we get a 0, and we go to counterclockwise next, which is 5, which should be this one. Okay, just as a sanity check, let me also print what the pin value is. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to build. Okay. So we're at 4. And we got a 2, right? Oh, I'm silly. This is after the change, isn't it? Because I think what I want is this, right? It'll give me the current state and the pin value, so it'll tell me where I'm going. Oops. There we go. Okay. So we have the state. We're at state 0, and we get a 2. We go to counterclockwise start. So that should be 4. So we went to 4, and we still have 2. So now we're at 4, and we get a 0. We're at 4, and we get a 0. We should be going to 5. Okay. So we got a 5, and it's still 0. Okay. So now we're at 5, and we get a 1. We're at 5, and we get a 1. Now we're at 6. Okay. So everything's working fine at this point. Now we get a 0. Okay, so that one worked fine. Now we try it again. 0, 2, 4, 2. That's wrong. This state is not How did we do that? We were at 4 and we just magically went to 0. So that's what's wrong. Something's not right with this memory. Maybe I'm overflowing it or something. Yeah, we restarted for some reason. And now we're at 0 in the middle of it. And then we did 0, 1. Went to 1. We get a 0. Now we went to 2. We get a 2. Went to 3. Now we get a 2. Hey, you lost me so bad. Let me try it again. 0 to 2. So now we go to 4. So, yeah, it resets. I don't know why that's resetting. It's when we're at 4. But it's only for clockwise? Or counterclockwise? Like, does this happen? 0 to 1. 1 to 2. 2 to 3. 3 to cent. Then we do it again. That works every single time. It's when we go counterclockwise that it does that weird reset thing. Okay, let me clear. And then restart this. Now we go 1 that way, and then another this way. 1 that way, another this way. It's always on the 4th one. Oops. Like, I'm thinking that maybe I'm using too much memory here. But at the same time, why does it always get it right for clockwise, but not counterclockwise? One, two, three, 4. 2, 7. Maybe make it global. Okay, what happens if we take all of this, put it up here? I don't think that'll make a difference, but maybe. Because I have no clue why it's just resetting. And I wonder if this has been happening the whole time. Now, granted, I would have got it wrong because I assumed that it would have a 1-1 state, and mine doesn't for some reason. But yeah, it still resets. This makes no sense. I wonder if it's resetting to this value. Let me, if we make the state, where's the state? If we make the state like something crazy like a default of, wait, we get, whatever that is. That's what, 256? No. 8, that's 8 bits. I don't know. I'm not finna do that math in my head. It still resets to whatever. That's so odd. I don't get it. It sent it that time. Like, when it doesn't do that weird reset, it sends it. Maybe this needs to be static too? I don't think so. Can you define an array? Like, if I do, I don't think that would work. We'll see. No, why? No, like, why would that work? What is unused in here? Will it tell me? Valid. Reset. Send. I feel like that would get optimized out, but whatever. Dir. Previous state. You know what I could do? What if I make state volatile? Could that be resetting it? Oh my gosh, no way, no way, no way. You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Let's comment this out. and then see what we got. That should be it. Previous spin. Oh. It would help if I reset it. How is it not working out? Did I copy? Did I? No. What? How did I break it? Pin file. States. Oh. Duh. Can't have a state if you comment it out. Who would have thunk it? I do that every time. That ain't right. How's it right before? Hmm. Back to debugging. It's resetting again? Bro, how was it just working before? Oops. Wait, what was that? Oh my gosh. I didn't know you could do that. I wonder if I did that on any of these. I don't think so, though. Can you do it on letters? No. That's cool. Yeah, when this does not reset, it works properly. I just don't know why it is. From Wint. You check and you state here. Because it's not resetting to this value. which I guess is good because I don't know how I'd fix that. Maybe it's copying the pin value? I have no clue. Because defines can't be changed. So it's not that. Dude, this is crazy. I wonder if it's something that's happening within and not at the top level. Oh. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Now we can open the monitor. Yeah, so it gets reset at this top level. Why? We just randomly doing stuff now? Then are allocated for it. Yep, that'll do it. But do I do this? Is this too many? I don't think so. Because a char is... It's 8 bits, yeah. And character is also 8 bits, yeah? Wait, that's what I just looked up. Bits is in a hex number. It should be 4. Yeah, it's 4. Um... I know it's something I'm doing wrong. I just don't see it. State. State. Because it only happens when we're at 4. And do we get something specific? It only works sometimes. Oh wait, we're going clockwise. It's not working. I want to see the clockwise one going wrong. So we're at 4, we get a 2. Oh wait, no, we went to 4. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, so it's OX2. It's 2, 4. This was state equals. But you're bitwise ending it with that, so you just get 4. Um, 0 to 2. Wait, no, 0 to 4. Then we immediately go to 0. What operations do we do to state at the end of this? At this point, we already calculated a new one. And we got 4. Yeah, I don't know why this didn't work. I don't know if that's going to make a difference at all. But I don't know what's going wrong. Only a few minutes. I really want to figure this out. Nope. What are the compiler options it's running with? Ooh, I don't remember what the no optimization one is. It's, is that an O or 0? Okay, it's O0. O0. Maybe it's getting optimized out. I still don't know why, if it's initialized as volatile though. But at this point I kind of doubt it. Yeah. It's not that. Let's see if it... So if I go slow... Nope. It's always at the same spot too. So there's gotta be something wrong with this. Like if it's happening at the same spot every single time. We have CCW next, which is OX. Wait. Oh, okay. CCW start exists as well. Same. Then you start and start. Wait. Oh yeah. So we expect a 0. And we get a 0. That's the problem. We get everything we need for this. Except this working. Syntax is correct. Oh, I need to get rid of that compiler option. Oh, we already compiled with all warnings. Why at 4, but nowhere else? 4 is what? 4 is just OX4. Just a selector. And it worked that time. Zero to 2. 4 to 2. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, one last thing. No, because we need that. I do not know. State is just fully getting reset. Wait, no! Am I blind? You go from 0 to 2, 4 to 2, and then we start at 4. Oh, of course that one works. Okay, there we go. So at this top level, we're at 4. Yeah, so it gets reset somewhere in here. I don't know why I didn't catch that before. I was reading it wrong. Okay, forget the timer. We finna figure this out. Is it because we set this? Wish I could make a script for this. I'm scared I'm gonna overwrite something. Cause it would be real easy if it's just this. I could just get rid of that. But it's we're at 4. Yeah. It's not that. We're at 4. Then we do what? So is it reset at this point? Oops. still right going into it. Where the heck does it get reset? No way it's here. On the print? Oops. Oh, it's in between the going. Okay. State is first, yeah. Okay. It's before this. So I think it might just be, okay. What we can do is just comment this out. But I commented this out before and it didn't work. But if it does now, I'll be happy. Yeah, something's still wrong. I'll figure it out later, man. This is annoying. Let me put this back up here. I have no clue why it's resetting. Anyway, that's it for me today. I'll figure this out eventually.